In a world of feathers, colors bright. Birds of all kinds, what a sight. Red and blue, yellow and green. The prettiest birds you've ever seen. They fly and swoop, they chirp and sing. What joy to the world these birds do bring. But wait, what's this? A little one there. Sitting alone with a worried stare. Its feathers are ruffled, its eyes so wide. Watching the others, it wants to hide. Come join us, the other birds call. Don't be afraid, you won't fall. The little bird trembles but takes a chance, spreading its wings for its very first dance. Up, up it goes into the sky. Look at that little bird fly. Now they're all together, a happy flock, singing and soaring around the clock. Big birds, small birds, all shapes and sizes. Each one special, full of surprises. Remember, dear children, as you grow, like birds of a feather, friendship will flow.